Hello everyone, we are working on my granny square blanket. Today we will make classic or basic granny square using these three colors. As you can see from this sample, by using different colors you get a very different impact as compared to this solid granny square. We will also learn how to change color or how to start new color in our block. Let's start. I will use this color to start my square. We will start by making slip knot and chain 4 and 4. Join first and last stitch to make a ring. Hold the loose end in your fingers and make chain 3 and 2 more double crochets in this circle, in this round, in this space to complete your shell or your cluster. So I'm going to use the word shell or cluster for these 3 double crochets throughout my video. Chain 3 for the corner and next cluster. Chain 3 and next cluster. Remember to crochet above this loose end so that you have fewer loose ends, tails to deal with at the end of your project. Chain 3 and 4th cluster of this round. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and join with the first chain 3 to complete your join with first chain 3 to complete your round. This is what our square, our block looks like after first round. To start next round, you will chain 3. Now you can either turn your work and make your first cluster in this space, or you can keep working on the same side. For that you will slip stitch into these double crochets and go to the next corner. So it's totally up to you. 1, 2 and 3. This will be our first double crochet and we will make 2 more double crochets and complete our cluster. Chain 3 and second cluster. Chain above, chain 1 for above the cluster and next corner. Chain 3 for the corner, chain 1 above the cluster and next corner. Chain 3, chain 1 above the cluster and last corner. Chain 3 for the corner. Chain 1 above the cluster and we will join with the first 3 chain. So this is what my block looks like after 2 rounds. Again we will slip stitch to the corner. 1 slip stitch in first double crochet and then another, and now we are in the corner. And here I will use my next color. I have made a slip knot of this color and I will use that to complete this slip stitch like this and make chain 3 using this new color. We have made chain 3. Now try to crochet above these 2 tails so that you hide them as you work. Chain 3 for the corner. And second cluster. Let's cut this yarn. Chain 1 above a cluster and in this chain 1 space make 1 cluster. Chain 1 above a cluster and next corner. So with each round we will have more and more spaces to make our clusters and we'll get a bigger and bigger block. You can stop wherever you want to or keep working on and you will get an infinity block. Chain 1 above a cluster and we are in the corner. Chain 3 for the corner and next cluster. Let's quickly finish this round. Chain 1 and join with the first chain 3. Let's do one more round and then I will show you how to change color once more. Again we will slip stitch to the corner, 1 and 2, chain 3. Let's quickly finish this round so that I can show you how to change color. I'll finish this round off camera and then share it with you. I have got just one cluster left from my 4th round. I have made one chain and now I will complete this round by making my last shell, my last cluster. Chain and join with the first chain 3 space. Now you can either, like last time, slip stitch to the corner and then start your new color, or you can simply bind off here. Let's finish this color here. I have cut the yarn and then I will just pass it through this stitch a couple of times and weave in my end now, so that I have fewer tails to deal with at the end of the project. Just pass through this tail through stitches a few times depending upon how long your tail is. So this is what our block looks like after 4 rounds. I'll change my color for the last time. We'll make a slip knot and join anywhere in the block. Last time we had joined, I have joined using slip stitch and made chain 3. Last time I have my previous color on hook when I changed color, and this time I am using my new color in a different way. So chain 3 for the corner, chain 1 above a cluster, let's finish this side and then I'll work off camera to finish my block. chain 3 and complete our corner. I'll complete the block now and then share the final look with you. This is the final look of our block, and here is the finishing on both sides. As you can see, by using 3 colors, our block has a totally different impact from our solid granny square or classic granny square. And this was our sample, so you can see that all these blocks have totally different impact depending upon the choice of colors. I hope you will have fun creating these blocks by using a variety of colors to achieve different results. So until next time, take care.